What's going on?
How much?
Love the bike. You just get that?
No, I bought it back in 2020.
Oh, you still got the stock fender.
I keep telling people I'm going to take it off, but it's still under warranty. So as long as it's under warranty, I haven't messed with it.
I was gonna say you got the you got the pipe on it.
Yeah.
I could hear it.
Yeah.
I had a 675.
Okay, yeah.
I really wanted these for a little bit.
Fucking bought it brand new, so.
I couldn't hear what he said.
I couldn't hear him either.
He said something. I have no idea. I wanted to ask him to rev it, but riding on the mustard. You can't do that.
It's always safer to ride on the mayonnaise than the mustard. That's, I don't know. That's debatable.
Yeah, that mayonnaise looks a little not too good.
This mayonnaise doesn't look too slow.
I'm not dressed to ride on the mayonnaise.
These things will get shredded in 1 second.
I'm on sweatpants. As soon as it looks at the road, it's gonna get shredded.
Oh yeah, you're toasted.
Sweatpants and a Gymshark hoodie, bro. Like, it's not free. I'm toasted. See, I like this because I'm riding at 40 miles an hour instead of 100. I'd much rather, I could take a 40-mile-an-hour slide, bro. That's fine. It's just gonna be a little bit of road rash. I'll survive. I'll get up and walk away. 100-mile-an-hour crash, you're gonna be in an incubator or you're gonna be dead. Oh, and there he goes. All right, we got it. That man can get it though.
That is not what I expected from this man. Oh, that's a cool. Oh, this is a nice curve. Oh my god.
Yeah, this road's awesome.
That's sick.
Oh, dude, he's really killed. I can't do that.
Okay, I'm not doing that.
I don't
know this road enough.
Dude, this Dodge is already like full sending it. I think I'm all right. This Dodge is already like fully maxing out his truck, bro. I'm fully okay.
Yeah, dude, I was wondering. Somebody look at this truck.
I'm okay. I'm cool, bro. I am enjoying this ride right now.
This truck is eating.
I'm fully with it, bro, because he can take a hit. We can't. So I'm like,
oh, yeah,
all right, let him lead the way. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm cool. This is it gets a little twisty up here too. So
definitely a good enough ride for me.
Oh yeah, man. This is a lovely road back here. It's so pretty too in the fall. Except for when the Honda Odyssey pulls out of the driveway, smack it at 70 miles an hour. That's the only downside of this road. But it's pretty. If you take a bike like this, it's pretty chill. Losing the Dodge, no. And the Honda got in front. I don't think I've ridden this bike enough to know how to describe it. I wish I could.
Dude, my one buddy was asking about getting a 675, and I was like, well, like my one friend described it like a surgeon.
Oh, the 675s?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I like that bike because it's kind of like the MC07 where it's like that direct throttle connection. Felt good, felt nice. Feel very. It's one of the last sport bikes that they made that had like a true direct throttle connection. That's what I really liked about it.
Yeah, I didn't even know they made new ones, dude.
That's a 765. They only made that 1 year. That was a special edition in 2020. So you can't buy those anymore. And those are actually an electronic throttle, so I don't think that those are gonna be that good to ride. Which is another reason why I didn't buy one. But yeah, if the V4, yeah, the V4 feels like a. I love that. It's a scalpel tied to a baseball bat. Because it's really precise, like a scalpel, but it's also like. It's so much that you, like, as a person, can't really control it. Look at this. I gotta hold the gas thing up. Dirt bike things, right? Oh wow, it was really low on fuel. This is only like a 2-gallon tank, dude.
That's it.
It's like 2.5. I forget. I don't know. I'm just talking out my ass. The H2 would be like what do you call it? H2 honestly feels like a bowling ball. Like if you describe it like a weapon, that's honestly what the H2 feels like. It's like a gigantic bowling ball that you like huck at someone's face. If the V4 is a scalpel tied to a baseball bat, the H2 is a bowling ball. Just a straight bowling ball. You just like, hurt. Truly. That's what it feels like when you're riding it, because it's so heavy, bro. It just feels like hurt. The S1K feels like a railgun. Just like, so, it does exactly what you want it to do. It's just like, poof. But it's also it's numb. So it's just like a railgun with no recoil. So it's just like, boom. You're like, oh, well, I just wiped out 500 people, but... I don't really feel anything, and it's really hard to feel remorse when you don't feel anything. MC07 is just like what? It's kind of like it's a baton with like little spikes on it. Because it's raw, but it's like also like really not that effective. I don't know, that kind of destroys my V4 analogy with the scalpel and the baseball bat. I don't know. It just feels like the V4 feels so blunt, but it's also like very precise, so I don't know. I really have no idea what I'm talking about.
I love this thing, I just wish it had less weight, so...
How about that thing?
Dude, I've ripped one of those off-road, so you know what? It was pretty fun.
Yeah, dude, I don't see any of those helmet talker videos anymore. That was like peak, what was it, like February, March? Like right at the end because I ran out of riding videos from last year, so I had to start posting a bunch of stuff in the garage just because I was like, I was completely out of content. I'm gonna rip these out real quick. I was completely out of riding content from the year before, and I was just like, crap. So what do? I just started posting in the garage. People were like, yeah, he doesn't actually ride his bikes. Matthew Woods is a fake rider, and I'm like, dude, when you were a kid, like the winters were super long, and now it's like they're starting later, ending. I don't know. Weather here is getting better. I think, in my opinion, a little bit. Not my much, but we still can't ride during a certain few months. But
yeah, well, sometimes it's a month between those few months where it's like fine, it's just really cold, but it's rideable.
We get hit by a snow. I remember I was literally I was gonna go film at Ducati because I needed a video for that day, and it started dumping snow. Like it was like 6 inches of snow on the ground. I grabbed my mom's Lexus because she had an SUV, drove through that thing sideways. I still got the content out. I was like, yes, but horrible. I was desperate, bro. I really wanted it to work. I for some reason I feel the urge to post. Oh my God, look at that dip in the road.
Ooh, that is no bueno.
I just feel that urge to post daily for whatever reason. I had that all throughout the winter. I could have taken a break, but that's what caused a lot of the helmet talk crap. I'm a lot better prepared for this year, though, for sure.
Oh, dude, I still have footage from like when we went to the BMW demo.
Oh my God, yeah, that was forever ago. I posted that video a long time ago. Oh, this road feels so good.
I know, bro. This breeze feels good from standing at the gas station. Definitely doesn't help that I have black jeans on.
Oh yeah, I forgot this is my 25.
No, it's a 35.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, this should be a 35. Unless they changed it.
He's about to say, hey, I was pacing you. I'm still scared of you.
Which way are you? Where are you going?
That's number 4. Number 4.
Got it. Hello.
I wish they had Apple Pay at every single gas station.
That cop was definitely getting over in our lane. Like he was gonna turn left and he came over.
Yeah, I seen that.
He just wants friends.
He just went straight.
He just wants his
He's turning around.
That's the guy that likes wheelies, remember?
Oh yeah. He looked like he really happy to see a wheelie, bro, with his sunglasses and very stern face.
That's why he went straight. He's like, hopefully they'll pop a wheelie.
Where did he go? Is there a police station back there?
No, he's just sitting there.
Oh, he's just sitting there?
Mooches.
He's waiting for us to leave.
Is he?
He didn't turn around, he's just staying straight.
Oh,
I think he fell asleep.
Ooh, donut.
He's in there, he's like, shit, should I turn around and wait for the bike or should I go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Dunkin' Donuts is very nice this time of year.
You would give me a discount.
Donuts. I have gas. Oh, put gas. I just put 87 in here. It's fucking time to sell it, boys.
I don't know where to put. Do I just have to hold this thing whenever I'm filling up?
You're like this.
I'm like, I don't know what to do with it.
It was that same thing whenever I was trying to figure out where to put my camera.
She's got it. She's gonna hold it for me. Thank you.
Dude, now it has cooties.
No!
Maybe he just hands it to the cop.
Yeah.
Here, take this.
He throws it out.
Now this guy can't leave.
I have to walk it home. Oh, sorry. I'm using not that much.
Well, you can put his fill that bitch up.
She's only like a 2.5 gallon tank, so.
This guy's following us, bro.
No way.
Can I have it back, please?
Bro, how's he always not seeing us?
Dude, this dude's just... Okay, the cop's reversing now, but... I don't know
He's
what that
definitely
building...
gonna,
Oh yeah, the cop's
neighbors.
waiting now. The cop's just... he's waiting now.
Where do we go?
That was my neighbor's old building.
We can just stay here forever.
Yeah, just wait, and he'll wait, and we'll wait, and he'll
What?
He's just chilling over there.
I know. Oh, time to throw this thing in bitch mode. Still gotta be loud. What? Downtown? That's the way, boys.
You guys ready?
Roger. Yep, Roger out of here. Please let me go first.
He's just sitting there. He's not doing nothing.
Should I flip him off? Hey, fuck you, man.
Sir, I'm a Ducati. I'm allowed to do whatever I want.
Look at this guy.
He just went on the sidewalk.